Have you ever understood English but struggled to speak it? Do words disappear when someone suddenly speaks English to you? What if just a simple conversations could help you speak more confidently every day? Stay with me because today's lesson is practical, easy, and useful for daily life. Okay? Namaste everyone. Welcome to my voice life skills. Many people know English words and grammar, but they hesitate when it is time to speak. The good news is speaking English is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Today we will learn simple English conversations that you can use in real life. Let's begin. See this chart. English conversations to improve speaking skills. Number 1, greeting. Okay. Number 1 is what? Greeting. So in greeting, we can see in greeting we can see A. Good morning. How are you? B is saying, I'm good. Thank you. And you? Number 2, introducing yourself. How to introduce yourself? A. Hi, I'm Ria. What's your name? B. Hi Ria, I'm Aman. Nice to meet you. Now number 3, talking about daily routine. A. What time do you usually wake up? B. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. 4. At the restaurant. A. What would you like to order? B. I would like a veg pizza, please. Number 5, asking for directions. A. Excuse me, how can I get to the railway station? B. Go straight and turn left. It's next to the park. 6. Shopping. How much is this? B. It's 499 rupees. 7. Talking about the weather. A. It's so hot today. B. Yes, I hope it rains soon. 8. Making plans. A. Do you have any plans this weekend? B. Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents. 9. Giving compliments. A. You did a great job. B. Thank you so much. 10. Ending a conversation. A. It was nice talking to you. B. Yes, it was nice talking to you too. See you soon. Okay? So this conversation is very nice, right? So next, these are the 10 conversations you can practice nicely. Okay? So you do not become fluent by only reading English. You become fluent by speaking English. Okay? Even A few minutes of practice every day can make a big difference. Now tell me in the comments which conversation was most useful for you. Write in the comments. Okay? I would love to know your answer. Okay? Practice these conversations every day. Speak without fear. Do not worry about mistakes. Every confident English speaker was once a beginner. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you. Namaste. Bye bye.